The new AITO M6 boasts impressive dimensions, 4.96 meters long, 1.98 meters wide, and 1.73 meters high, with a wheelbase of 2,950 millimeters. As for the exterior design, the car offers a variety of color options, each with its own symbolic meaning. For example, the silver color in the video symbolizes easy and steady victory. An Obsidian Edition is also available, featuring a black badge, black window trim, black side sills, a black rear bumper, and black wheels. This model is available in two versions, a fully electric version and an electric extended range version. They differ in their front grille design. The electric extended range version uses a horizontal and vertical mesh grille, while the electric version uses a standard mesh grille.
The lighting system is one of the standout features of the AITO M6. Designers have created a striking visual effect, making the headlights and dazzling red taillights incredibly eye-catching when illuminated. Small blue lights are cleverly positioned on either side of the lower front of the car to assist the driver. As for intelligent driving systems, the M6 boasts a powerful configuration, incorporating 30 sensors distributed throughout the vehicle. These include a state-of-the-art 896-line LiDAR sensor, a rear solid-state LiDAR sensor, and a 4D millimeter wave radar, providing robust support for the advanced intelligent driving solution.
As for the exterior, the M6 offers 5 wheel options, including 20 and 21-inch versions, with the Obsidian Edition also featuring striking red brake calipers. The doors have a semi-concealed electric locking mechanism and are equipped with a backup CPM unit to ensure they open normally. At the rear, in addition to an extra-long overhead brake light and concealed wipers, there's a large luggage compartment with a capacity of 860 liters and a height exceeding 900 millimeters. The luggage compartment floor is adjustable to 2 levels, has 10 bolt holes, and a 220-volt power outlet, making it ideal for camping or mounting appliances such as coffee makers. The interior boasts advanced technologies, most notably an interactive screen that automatically rotates to suit the driver, passenger, or driving mode, such as reversing or turning. The interior is available in 4 colors: orange, red, purple, and apricot. The screen layout includes a main display, instrument panel, head-up display, power-adjustable rear-view mirror, and an e-ink display for the passenger. The infotainment system supports seamless synchronization of mobile phone wallpapers and animated images. As for comfort features, the front seats support zero gravity and include heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The second row seats are electrically adjustable with a maximum recline angle of 42 degrees. The car is equipped with an electrically adjustable D-shaped steering wheel and a Huawei sound system with 21 speakers. Additionally, there are 6 external and 4 internal microphones supporting low-speed voice communication. The interior vanity mirror is large and offers adjustable color temperature. The interior design optimizes space with ample headroom and 48 storage compartments distributed throughout the car, including hidden under-seat storage boxes and flexible storage pockets behind the sports seats. In terms of power and range, the extended range version is equipped with a new generation of range extenders, offering 2 battery options, 37 kilowatt-hours and 53 kilowatt-hours. The all-electric version comes with a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, providing an electric range of up to 760 kilometers in the rear-wheel drive configuration. The all-electric version also boasts a spacious 260-liter front luggage compartment. In short, the new AITO M6 is suitable not only for young people, but also for large families, making it a smart travel companion that reduces driving stress.